Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're talking about how to get free LinkedIn ad coupons for your business. So if you advertise on LinkedIn, you'll be getting free ad coupons worth over $1,000. You can get unlimited coupons if you like. So please do subscribe to the channel as we continue, and like this video so that more people get to see this video and interact with the video. So normally in doing this, you'll want to create a LinkedIn profile. So if you don't have one already, consider creating one. And there are some features that are available on LinkedIn, like my network, jobs, messaging, notification, and me. So all of these are familiar tools, but what we'll be using here is the advertise button. So we'll be advertising on LinkedIn, showing people the product or service we offer. So LinkedIn is a very profitable place to run your ads on, apart from Facebook and Google. So you can also run on LinkedIn. So we're going over to my LinkedIn campaign manager right now to see how we're going to get this free ads coupon. So please just like this video as we continue on this journey on getting free unlimited coupons, LinkedIn ad coupons for your business that you can use to run ads and get your first customer or get your first client on LinkedIn. So while this loads up, you'd want to, like I've said earlier, create an account on LinkedIn. So if you've created an account, you would click on advertise, and it should take you to your account manager. So your account manager, just like Facebook manager, is where you manage the campaigns that you're running. When I say campaign, I mean the various ads you're running. So this is where we'll be claiming the coupons that will be given by LinkedIn. This is where we'll be claiming the coupons. You can see over here. This way I'll be claiming the coupons. So this link here, this link will be available for you. I'll put it online. I'll put it on the link description below. All you need to do here is fill in your name, first name, last name, email, company, and you claim this free 100 credit, free $100 credit. So that's how you claim free $100 credit. But I'll put this link on the description below. You claim $100 per time, so you can claim as much as you want. So all you need to do is you would create so many email address. You create an email address. I recommend using different email address whenever you want to claim this $100 worth of ads credit. So what you do now is, after claiming it, they'll send you an email within 2 or 3 business days. You come over here and enter the coupons, and you click on apply, and it will be applied over here. You can see I have a total of over $163 dollars here as free coupons or credit. So you can also claim yours. All you need to do is follow through that process. You can see this was first and this was third, so just 2 day difference. Yeah, I think 2 days difference, I think so. Yeah, 2 day difference. I claim $100 first time, and then you can also claim yours. Look at it here. So this is a proof, guys. So just like this video, subscribe, and if you have an issue claiming yours, just let me know and I will trash it out in our next video. Okay, so this is how you claim it. You can do it as many times as you want. Just use that link and input so many email address, and you get the free coupons. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time.